this 2006 Mazda 3. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a manual transmission that'll keep you in touch with your vehicle, a premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.